Today we're going to show you how to front post double crochet. So to start our next row, we're going to chain 3 and turn our work. And now we're not going to count this first stitch as that's connected to the chain 3. So we're going to work into our second stitch. So yarn over, insert your hook from the front through the back of the stitch below, yarn over, and then pull your yarn through the back of that stitch. Now you're going to yarn over and pull it through 2 loops, yarn over and pull it through the remaining 2 loops like you would a normal double crochet. So let's do that again. So we're going to yarn over. Now insert your hook from the front through the back of that stitch below, and then yarn over again, and we're going to pull our yarn through the back of that stitch. And now, like a normal double crochet, yarn over, pull it through the first 2 loops, yarn over and pull it through the remaining 2 loops.